Hello everyone, welcome to BPO interview tutorials, and I hope you guys are doing well. So today we came up with a new concept with regards to the Six Sigma certification. So guys, please do watch the last videos on the Six Sigma. You can also check out the yellow belt certification. Click on bell icon and also share subscribe the channel so that you guys can get videos whenever it will get uploaded in your notification. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing, and share your feedbacks and comments and on which topic you guys require a video. Just let us know so that we can help you out. So a concept which is regards to methodology of Six Sigma. So guys, there are two methodologies basically. The one is DMAIC DAMIC and second is DMADV. And we do also have one more, but which is rarely used, that is DFSS. So guys, we will be covering one by one today. So let's start with the first methodology, which is DAMIC, DMAIC. So basically stand for define, M stand for measure, A stand for analyze, I stand for improve, and C stand for control. So guys, this is the basic of the Six Sigma. These are on this particular 5 terms. Basically we will do the Six Sigma. We will find out the customer satisfaction. We will reduce the defects. We will improve the process. We will improve the scores. So how we can do that? That is a different part. We will cover it later on. Today we will see the overview on it, like what do you understand by define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So guys, what is this DMAIC? The basic definition of DMAIC is it is a data-driven quality strategy for improvement of the process. Data-driven quality strategy, which means we will be having a certain set of data. Hope you have seen my last video wherein I have clearly told that Six Sigma required a set of data so that they can do the analysis. The same, it is a data-driven quality strategy of the improving the process. Basically, DMAIC used in the existing process. Okay, so we will use it for our existing process wherein we are looking for the improvement and etc. So we will see now what is define. So basically guys, define means we will define, for an example, we have a process which is currently we are working on it, and our CSAT score got dropped or maybe a performance got dropped. So guys, we will first define what are the points we have with us. We will see, like, define who is the customer, what is the requirement for the product and the service, what is their expectations. Okay, define the boundaries of the project. Okay, where we will start, where we will over it. Define the process to be improved by mapping and the process flow. So here we basically define all the things, like what basically we have in our hand with regards to the process. Okay, what is the current score, what are the tool we have. Okay, we will just define everything. So this is a define phase. In detail we will see later on guys. Just remember the basic definition on it. Next we have a measure. Measure, which means we will cross check the problem and the process from which it is produced. Develop a data collation plan for the process. Collect the data from many sources to determine type of defect and the metrics. Measure, we will identify what is the basic problem in the process. For an example, I will give an example of Pareto analysis. Hope you have seen that. If we do measure with the help of Pareto analysis, we will get to know that 80% of defects because of certain parameters. Agreed to my point? Yes. So this is a measure phase guys. Here we are identifying the things that with the help of the measurement, with the help of the certain graphs, the data, whatever we have, we will just find out that what is the basic problem is and where we need to focus on. Okay, so Pareto analysis is a good example on it. We have analyze. On the basis of the Pareto analysis, what the measure we have done, we can analyze and we can just find out the root cause on that. We will find out the opportunities. We will do the basic activities, like we will see, like on basically 80% problems are on four main defect. We will do the hurdles, we will go for dip checks, we will conduct a quality sessions, we will check out the knowledge gap for the operators, we will cross check like what is the basic issues they have, and on the basis of that we will do the analysis on their numbers. We will cross check their performance week on week. We will find out the trend, like where the guys are improved, where the guys are lacking. So here we will do the analysis phase. Next, improve the process by finding the solution to fix and prevent the future problem. So here in the improve phase, post having all the sessions and everything, we will find out the solution, how we can fix it. Post fixing it, we will just keep it for the future as well, that so the error will not get repeat. The last, control, which means implement how we are sustaining on that particular thing, so that the error will not occur again. So the error probability will get reduced if we are sustaining on the 4 points what we have discussed: define, measure, analyze and improve, so that we can sustain the same, which is known as the control phase. So sustaining on the things. So this is the basic definition of a DMAIC, guys. Interviewer basically ask you about this thing, what are the methodology, you can directly tell DMAIC, and DMAIC basically used in the existing process. Just give the overview about the define, measure, analyze, improve and control. So definitely interviewer will accept your answer. So this is all about the DMAIC, guys. I hope you guys got the clear understanding on it. And if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, just share your feedbacks or comment, guys. Also check out our YouTube channel, then Facebook page, and you can also follow us on Instagram, so that you guys can get the notification regards to the vacancies whatever we have available in the India. So keep watching, guys, keep sharing, and share your feedback, guys, and let us know if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.